Hey YouTube, what is up? I am back with another video, and today we will be playing some Death Run Portable. Let's see. This is my first time playing this game. I don't know what to expect. This game was suggested by one of my friends. So, player server list. Let's see. I want a girlfriend. Here we go. Play game. USA. Player. Player name. Okay. I have no clue what I am doing. Server list. 4. I'm connecting. Okay. Okay. What is this? What do I do? Whoa. Okay. Whoa! Ninja girl! Holy crap! She's fast. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He committed suicide. Oh, that's funny. What is she doing? Is she dancing? What is this game? Okay. Do what she did. Just run. Run and jump. Okay. Just run. Run. Boom. 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 No! Crap. Stop it. Advertisements. The killers won this time. He didn't even have to do anything. Psych. Oh, no! Crap. This is hard. Stop advertisements. This is really hard, actually. Okay. Looks like she's lagging. She's lagging really bad. What's she doing? She just keeps jumping. She disconnected. Okay. It's my turn. Haha, he missed me. Okay guys, I am back in a more full server, because that last server, I'm pretty sure there was only 2 of us. So, I'm back in this, I just joined this server. What is that? That guy has a pumpkin Minecraft face. It's pretty cool. So far, I am really enjoying this game. You guys should get the game. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure it's for the App Store and Google Play. I am pretty sure. Definitely Google Play. But I don't know about the App Store. I'm pretty sure they do have it on the App Store. So, let's see. Okay, the game is starting. I think. Yeah, it is. Okay. Killers 1. Okay. There's a lot of people. That guy has a. That guy has what? What just happened there? But that guy has a milkshake on his hand. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey, can I get some of your? Hey, I want some of your milkshake, please. So are the yellow mark spots where the traps are, right? I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm getting better. I'm getting better at this parkour. Whoa, that just shrunk. Whoa. One at a time, people. I'm actually being careful. Oh, what is this? What does this do? I don't know. That scares me. Okay, this thing's intense. Not intense, but oh my god, spikes! I'm gonna smack those spikes with my crowbar. Do I get to kill the murderer? I'm gonna kill him. Yeah, you better jump off. Scared of me. Batman is scared of me. What's up, Batman? I heard you was talking smack about. Oh, okay. Oh, Minecraft man. He's in team with me. Are you serious? What is off? I never even knew that happens. That could happen. Ugh. Okay. Vanoss. I don't think that's how you spell Vanoss. Just saying. Oh my god, this guy has a pretty cool face. The cube head. Everyone has. You can do lots of interesting things in this game. That's why I really like it. No sarcasm at all. What is going on? Why is this server keep resetting? Is it because new people? Is it because new people are joining and disconnecting every single time? Is that why? I don't know, but it's annoying. God. Get your butt from my screen. He has a cookie in his hand. Wow. He has a health pack, he has a chainsaw, he has a Minecraft pumpkin head. What else can you have in this game? Jesus Christ. Okay. They're dead. They're done for. Get them. Get them. Get them, boys. they're fighting back. Whoa. Whoa. What is that dance? He's air thrusting. Okay, that's funny. Oh. Okay. I guess that's an animation that plays when you win the game. Oh my god! That killed so much people! That was so funny. That was hilarious. Can I jump backwards like that? Okay, he put it. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure they're dead already. Okay, we won. What's up? Can't defeat the best death run player ever. Okay. We gotta press this first button too. Boom. Press it. What? No! They should really add barriers around the killer's little stand. Because they're gonna keep falling. It's weird how the buttons can activate. Like again, I'm new to this game. I don't know what to do. Yeah. But I'm learning more. Every single server I play. Ugh. Oh. Oh. They got him good. What happened here? Okay. Let's take a moment of silence. These proper skills. Oh! That wasn't that bad. What happens here? I don't even know. I don't want to find out. There's spikes here. They're still gonna die anyways. Ah! Get him! Get him, boy! Let's get him! Click it! Oh! There they go. That was funny. Wait, no! Minecraft man! He's dead. Leroy! Boom. Okay, we're SWAT? What? That's cool. Wait. Hey. Wait up! This isn't a race. Oh, no! That's what I get for going too fast. That sucks. Let's see. Everyone's done. Oh my god, what is going on? It scared me for a second. Oh, so when the runners press one of the buttons, you can kill them with your hand. The other button deletes their platform, which makes them fall into the void of the game. And that guy just died. Sad, sad. Let him rest in peace. Or no peace, because he fell into the void. It's funny. Okay, I got very quiet there for a second. Boom, boom. What is... Oh, my parkour skills on fleek. Whoa. Yes. I have a new achievement unlocked. Get over here! I'm going to smack you with my crowbar across your head. Chill. There is blood everywhere. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Oh my god, he's juking all of us. Ah, this is difficult. What? What? Get back here! You can't escape from your fate. Oh, I hit him once. That's really cool. Oh, wait, I almost got him. No, get back here. He's gonna kill us. Never mind. Oh, he's literally running through all the parkour. Watch all of us die trying to catch him. I'm right on his tail. Never mind, like, how do you run so fast? Come at me, bro. Whoa, 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 what was that? Them jukes! What was those jukes? What? This guy needs to be good at this game or something. Oh, okay, there we go. It's done, it's done. What is up? That was really fun. But painful at the same time. Oh, okay, everyone just died right there in the beginning. Oh my god, 5 kills. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Blade. Thanos game. Okay, no, someone knows how to spell Thanos. And that killer just fell to his death. I love the dancing animations. They're funny. Okay. Let's do this Thanos. Oh! You didn't trick us there, did you? Are you serious? I keep falling. I got what? No. Let's see. Me or rare. He's just like me. He just falls. Okay. What is going on? Spike. Kill him. Kill him. Kill that man. Oh. I hate that. Just. Oh my god, you're still gonna die. Why do you run? It's annoying. Especially because they're 10 times faster than you. They should be able, so what is it called? The killers can't pass that bridge, that orange bridge right over here. They should make that so they can't run away. And let the match last for as long as, I don't know, 10 more minutes, I guess. Just press the button where the whole platform disappears. Destroy him. This is seriously... There we go. Thank you, Blade. Ugh. Put the axe on his back. Whoa! Vanessa, is that Minecraft agent? It's a panda. Is it a panda? I don't even know. She's dead. Oh god. We literally off-rose. What happened there? Who's that? No one's the killer. The killer is just doing whatever he's doing over there. I'm pretty sure he's like me, has no idea what to do. No worry. So yeah guys, I'm going to leave it here for today, and it would really help me out if you take 1 second out of your life just to like my video. It would really help me out. And subscribe for more daily uploads. And yeah, have a nice day.